The Sundarbans, a name that conjures images of a world unlike any other. This is where land and sea intertwine in a breathtaking display of biodiversity. Spanning across India and Bangladesh, the Sundarbans is the largest mangrove forest on Earth. Here, a labyrinth of waterways weaves through a dense canopy of mangrove trees. These trees, with their tangled roots rising from the water, are specially adapted to survive in this challenging environment. The Sundarbans is a haven for a stunning variety of life. From the smallest fiddler crabs to the majestic Bengal tiger, these creatures have adapted to thrive in this unique ecosystem. The mangroves provide shelter and breeding grounds for countless fish, crabs, and birds. The air hums with the sounds of life, a testament to the richness of this remarkable place. The Sundarbans is not just a vital habitat for wildlife, it also plays a crucial role in the lives of millions of people. The mangroves act as a natural barrier, protecting coastal communities from storms and erosion. They also provide livelihoods for local people who depend on fishing and other resources. This delicate ecosystem, however, faces growing threats. Climate change, pollution, and human encroachment are putting increasing pressure on the Sundarbans and its inhabitants. The survival of this unique habitat and the creatures that call it home depends on our actions. Deep within the heart of the Sundarbans, a legend roams. It is a creature of immense power and beauty, yet rarely seen. This is the Sundarban White Tiger, a rare variant of the Bengal tiger. What sets this tiger apart is its stunning white coat, a result of a genetic condition called leucism. This leucism affects the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for color in skin, fur, and eyes. While not albinos, these tigers have significantly reduced melanin, resulting in their striking white fur and blue eyes. The stripes, however, remain black, creating a mesmerizing contrast against their pale coat. The white tiger is not a separate subspecies of Bengal tiger, but rather a unique variation found only in the Sundarbans. Their elusiveness and the challenging terrain they inhabit make them incredibly difficult to study, adding to their mystique. Sightings of these magnificent creatures are rare and treasured events. The Sundarban White Tiger, with its ghostly beauty, embodies the spirit of the mangroves. It is a reminder of the incredible diversity of life that this ecosystem supports. However, like the mangroves themselves, the white tiger faces an uncertain future. The Sundarbans, despite its resilience, is facing unprecedented challenges. Human activities are encroaching upon this once pristine wilderness, threatening its delicate balance. One of the biggest threats is habitat loss. As human populations grow, the demand for land increases, pushing settlements closer to the mangroves. Deforestation for timber, agriculture, and aquaculture is fragmenting the forest, destroying vital habitat for countless species. This fragmentation also isolates tiger populations, making them more vulnerable to disease and genetic problems. Pollution from industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and sewage is another significant threat. These pollutants contaminate the water, poisoning fish and other wildlife. They also disrupt the delicate balance of the mangrove ecosystem, leading to harmful algal blooms and oxygen depletion. Climate change is perhaps the most significant long-term threat to the Sundarbans. Rising sea levels are inundating low-lying areas, while increasing storm surges are becoming more frequent and intense. These changes are already having a devastating impact on the mangroves, eroding coastlines and increasing salinity levels. The Sundarbans, once a symbol of resilience, is now at a tipping point. The plight of the Sundarbans and its iconic white tiger is a stark reminder of the urgent need for conservation. Fortunately, there are people working tirelessly to protect this unique ecosystem. Local communities, scientists, and conservation organizations are joining forces to address these challenges. One of the key initiatives is the Sundarban Tiger Reserve, established to protect the tiger and its habitat. The reserve encompasses a vast area of mangrove forest, providing a safe haven for tigers and other wildlife. Anti-poaching patrols work tirelessly to deter illegal hunting, a constant threat to the tiger population. Conservation efforts also focus on promoting sustainable livelihoods for local communities. By providing alternative income sources, such as ecotourism and sustainable fishing practices, these initiatives aim to reduce pressure on the mangroves. Educating future generations about the importance of conservation is crucial. Programs are being implemented in schools and communities to raise awareness about the Sundarbans and inspire young people to become stewards of their environment. The fate of the Sundarbans and the magnificent white tiger that calls it home rests in our hands. By supporting conservation efforts, reducing our impact on the environment and advocating for change, we can help ensure that this unique ecosystem thrives for generations to come.